Weather Service in Goodland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Wichita County, southeastern Wall County, eastern Greeley County, until 7 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, or 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:59 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, or 6:59 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 12 miles southeast of Tribune, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. The public reported golf ball to 2-inch hail 10 miles north of Syracuse. Expected hazards include 2-inch hail. Severe weather has been reported by the public. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. This severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of Wichita, southeastern Wallace, southwestern Logan, and eastern Greeley counties, including the following locations: Selkirk. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time, or 7 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following counties: in Kansas, Logan, and Wallace.